everybody, what's up? What's up? I came on today. I'm going to show you how to make pastillage. And what pastillage is, well, let me kind of explain it this way. I am getting ready to make a truck cake. I want to make the wheels, but I want the wheels to be really firm. Not like fondant, which is soft. Not like gum paste, which gets hard, but it takes days and days to get hard. And I don't have that kind of time. I don't have that kind of time. So, like I said, we got 3 types of sugar dough. Fondant, which is soft. Gum paste, which gets hard after a while. You see those sugar flowers that people make that are gorgeous, that take so much time and I don't have time for, but I love them. I love them. They're made out of gum paste. They're made out of gum paste. What I am showing you today is pastillage. It gets hard like in an instant. I mean, it takes probably about 5 minutes and it starts hardening real good, and it gets real stiff and it's very, very sturdy. So that's what I need my tires to be. Very, very sturdy. You can eat it, of course, because it's sugar. It's a sugar dough, but it's really hard, like a rock candy. So you probably have to suck on it, suck on the tire. So I just want to get on here. I know maybe the lay person just looking around or whatever probably won't be interested in pastillage, but my cake people, I know you're out here. This is how I make pastillage. Everybody makes it different. This is my way of doing it. The ingredients are powdered sugar, and I'll give them measurements and everything. I think it's 26.4 ounces of powdered sugar. I believe this bag is 2 pounds, 32 ounces. So I take about 5.6 or something ounces out of this bag. Make sure you measure everything. Especially with pastillage. It's a little tricky, a little finicky kind of dough. So make sure you just measure everything. Along with the powdered sugar, I have gelatin. We put a little cream of tartar in there, just a little dash. Got some water and some corn syrup. And I want to make my pastillage black. So I have some black food coloring. Okay. So right now you got to cook it and everything. So I'm going to take you to the stove. But right now I'm just going to put the powdered sugar into my KitchenAid. Let's pour that in right now. Pour the powdered sugar and the cream of tartar in there. I'm not sure what the cream of tartar does, but I did one without it and it was terrible, so it's used for something, y'all. Like I said, I am self-taught. I haven't been to school and don't know all these little why stuff acts the way, why ingredients are used because of whatever, but I know if I don't use it, it don't work. So we need it for the pastillage, okay? So just a little dash of that. Just like that. Just like that. And then just turn your mixer on and mix that up. And now I'm going to take you to the stove so I can show you what I do on the stove. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, I poured the gelatin mixture in with the powdered sugar and the cream of tartar, and I'm just letting it mix until it becomes a dough. It's a real soft dough, so it's really sticky, so grease your hands before you mess with it, and then put it in a Ziploc bag. But I'm gonna let it mix up. Every now and then you gotta stop it, and I use the dough hook on this because it's dough. It's dough. So I stop it, and then I kind of shove the sugar, because you know how the sugar kind of gathers around the sides. So I kind of shove the sugar towards the gelatin mixture so it can get all incorporated. If it's really loosey-goosey, add some more powdered sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna grease my hands up. It looks like it's almost about, it is done. It is done. Now, this dough is a little loose. But not to worry. You gotta let it sit overnight and it'll firm up. But you don't want it too thick. So don't add a whole lot of sugar. Just add enough sugar where you can pick it up. So let me get this off of here. My dough hook out. That to the side. Got my Ziploc bag, which is also greased up. This dough needs to stay greased up. It gets so dry really quick. So you want to try to keep it moist as much as you can. So I am going to, and it's not as black as I want it yet, but think about black and brown a lot. Wait overnight before you add more coloring. You can always add more coloring later, but wait overnight and see what you get, because it always gets darker overnight. Let's see. Ooh, this stuff is sticky. Ah, sticky. So get it all out. Little dough, see? Little dough. It's firm enough where you can kind of pull on it, but it's really sticky. But this is how you want it. This is how you want it. So, and you need to scrape some of that stuff out of there. So let me get a little scraper. Let's see here. One of these. Get one of these so you can scrape that bowl and get that out, because I think this will probably be enough, just enough to make the 4 big tires for this big cake. And that is it. Take those gloves off. Ooh. Get that dough in there like that. Keep it kind of airtight, so kind of get all that air out, roll it around to get that air out, seal it, put it in your refrigerator, and see what it looks like tomorrow. If it's not dark enough for you, add some more food coloring, knead that in, and you're good. You're good. So that's how you make pastillage. Don't ask me how to spell it. Oh, but I guess it's French. It sounds French. But thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.